Did you know that 95% of online stores miss out on 3/4 of their search traffic? It happens due to mistakes made by site owners or developers during the launch stage, and it doesn't matter what platform or technology the online store was built on. Sounds unlikely? We'll back it up with proof. 80% of all search queries are queries with second and higher levels of detail. To demonstrate what I mean, let's take a look at these examples. Search query t-shirts for men has a specification by gender. This is the first level of detail. Search query print t-shirts for men has a specification by both style and gender. This is already the second level of detail. And finally, the 3D level would be something like a red V-neck t-shirt for men, where we have specifications by color, types of neckline and gender, all at once. Therefore, when people search for something, 80% of the time they tend to use search queries with a level of detail that is second or higher. And if you're an online shop owner and ignore this fact, it means you're getting only 20% of the website traffic and losing 80%. Crazy. For users, such queries are important and very helpful because they convey to the search engine what specifically a user needs, thereby saving the user's browsing time. For online store owners, such queries provide an opportunity to quickly reach the top 10 positions on Google. Why? The more specific the query, the lower the competition in the search results because many websites have technical issues that prevent them from appearing on the search result page. Let's take a closer look at the t-shirt example I've just mentioned. Google won't display your site for red men's t-shirts unless you have a specific page dedicated solely to men's red t-shirts. For this, your website needs a separate page, also known as subcategory, with relevant page title and description, relevant HTML tag, relevant products and content, including SEO content, FAQ, and reviews. A category containing all men's t-shirts won't be relevant in this scenario, both for users looking for red men's t-shirts and for search engines. Surprisingly, the proper website structure is found in just 5% of all online stores. But what's holding back the other 95%? The main reason is no functionality of the online store, which would make it possible to create separate pages for product characteristics like color, size, etc. Also, you might have set everything up right, but there's a number of errors that block the display of such pages in the search results. This is already the second level of detail. To better grasp the idea, let's use an example. Let's get back to the search query, red men's t-shirt. There is a site which has a category with all t-shirts for men. This category includes 6 red t-shirts, which can be filtered accordingly. But the site won't show up for specific searches red men's t-shirt, because this website has no subcategory for red men's t-shirt. Filters like red generate dynamic page URLs that are not indexed by search engines as an individual page. And it's easy to check. This is a Google operator that displays the most relevant page for a specific search query. In our case, when the search query red men's t-shirt is entered, the site doesn't feature a relevant page. As a result, Google displays a collection containing all available t-shirts. Finally, what needs to be done to attain the highly desired 80% of traffic you might be missing? No stress, no problem. It's all straightforward. Just 3 steps needed. 1. Collect and analyze search queries to understand how users search for your products. 2. Create a structure of relevant pages while adhering to the hierarchy, including categories and subcategories. 3. Implement the correct structure of the online store technically. So, do you still feel like you don't know where to start? Our team works both with custom-built online stores and sites that are built on CMS. Follow the link in description to learn more about us.